Baby, it's so crazy how life comes full circle. When I met you for the first time out in Hawaii, I thought, man, how lucky am I to even be talking to you right now? I would never in my wildest dreams think that we could pull something off like this.
I love your smile, your kindness, and the way you show up for me always. You're my calm when things feel heavy, and my joy when everything's good. You're the first person I want to talk to when something amazing happens, and the one I run to when things fall apart.
But as I got to know you for who you are, I know that there's no way I can see my life without you. You are kind, you are loving, you are caring, you're thoughtful, beautiful, you're funny. You take time to do the little things. This is my other grandma. God calls his people home when he needs them, so good I know he's here.
Aloha. Aloha. You know, for those of us who call Hawaii our home, we like to present leis to honor guests celebrating a special occasion such as this. Carolina, I give this ring to you.
Carolina, I give this ring to you
as a symbol of my love and my commitment to you. So ho'onani ka makua mau ke me ka uhane no ke au mau ho'omai ka ipu ko ke au. Amen. May God in spirit be with you always. May God bless you and keep you. May God's face always shine upon you both. May God lift up his countenance and bring you both peace now and forevermore in your mouth. Amen. And so, yeah, thank you so much for having me. So because of the vows that you have said and the commitments that you've made this day, therefore by the power vested in me, by the laws of this great state of Hawaii, it gives me great honor to now pronounce you as husband and wife. Kameron, you may kiss your beautiful bride.
Let's go. Yes.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. and Mrs. Davis.
A special song for you guys, island style. I feel like you guys found, you guys need some Polynesians here, so I go do this one for you guys, island style.
Thank you.
On the island, we do it island style. From the mountain to the ocean, from the windward to the leeward side. On the island, we do it island style. From the mountain to the ocean, from the windward to the leeward side. Mama's in the kitchen cooking dinner real nice. Beef stew on the stove, lomi salmon with the ice. Eat and drink and sing all day. Kanika pila in the old Hawaiian way. On the islands, we do it island style. From the mountain to the ocean, from the windward to the leeward leeward side. On the islands, family, on the islands. On the islands. We do it island. We do it island style. From the mountain to the ocean, from the windward to the leeward side. One more time, hey! On the islands, we do it island style. Yes, sir, hey! From the mountain to the ocean, from the windward to the leeward side. Hanaho, one more time. On the islands, we do it island style. Yeah, from the mountain to the ocean, from the windward to the leeward side. Last one, family. Hanaho, on the islands, we do it island style. Yes, sir. Hey, yeah. From the mountain to the ocean, from the windward to the leeward side. Let's go. Crystal pies, bro. Yes, sir.